During this time, we're going to be talking about ways that your business can not only survive, but actually thrive during a recession. One of the strongest ways that you can brand your business is to talk about how you're different. We have this recession that's coming, it's already here, and that actually usually means less competition, which can be great for you. And this is an even stronger place for a good differentiation strategy to come into play. The way you can convince your prospective customers to decide to buy from you instead of going to one of your competitors is to make sure that there's something different about you that appeals to your market. I know, even I tend not to always do this every day in every conversation and every message I post. Like all entrepreneurs, I get busy. And I tend to spend more time actually working on my clients' messaging, including around differentiation, than I do my own. But I want to tell you a funny story. So my dad is an identical twin. My kids had never seen my dad's brother in person, and I remember showing them a picture one day from Facebook and telling them, yeah, there's Grandpa Tony's brother. And they were looking at the photo confused because the only person they saw was Grandpa Tony. And it was so funny, but it's like, no, that's Tommy. That's Uncle Tommy, not your grandpa. And even funnier, when we were growing up, when we were little, my dad and my uncle would leave the room and they would switch shirts and come back in and try to pick up the wrong kid. And we'd be laughing and we're like, no, you're not my daddy. He is. We could tell them apart, even though other people couldn't, even though they're identical twins. Even if your business looks just like another one, there's always something different. And just like when we were kids, your closest customers will probably always be able to see that difference. But your prospects may not, which is where you need to clarify your message. Simply having different brand colors or logo or brand naming isn't really enough to qualify as differentiation. I'm going to give you 3 tips here on how you can start choosing your differentiator. And in our Facebook group, Brilliance Bar Marketing Mastermind, which you can search, you can find a link on our business page or on our website, but this is the group, Brilliance Bar Marketing Mastermind. I'm actually giving away some free tips and videos to help you choose your differentiator and how to message it. So right now we'll be giving those pieces away free. But here's 3 tips to get you started. The first one is that it needs to be actionable. You have to be able to demonstrate the piece that makes you different. It also needs to be true. You can't just make it up and expect that it will actually resonate with people. Sometimes people initially make up what they want their differentiator to be, and then they build their business to that model. In that case, yes, growing it with you can work, but it has to be a reality when you talk about it. It can't be fake. And then probably the most important piece is that it needs to be important to your clients and prospects. If you have a differentiator that is all about saving the environment and your prospective customers care nothing about that, it's not going to matter how many trees you plant or how much water you conserve if it's not important to them. You want your differentiator, at least the one that you're talking most about in your messaging, to correlate to things that are important to your clients. It doesn't mean that you can't still have those other things, but in your messaging, you want to be sure you're talking to your target audience. Hop in our Facebook group, Brilliance Bar Marketing Mastermind, where we are giving away free marketing tips every day right now during this crisis to help your business not just survive this storm, but to thrive in it. Join us over there. And of course, if you have any marketing question, you can always comment below or use the chat bubble on our website or connect with us on Facebook and ask your question in any of those ways. And we'll try to answer you directly, or we may use your question in an upcoming episode. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.